Yes, beautiful people, you already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. It's your boy P Fire, aka Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P Wonder, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. And on today's episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps, we actually have some crepes. You'll see what I mean. Let's get into it. Oof. God damn, that's a heavy box, and I just dropped it like it's hot. Dropped it like it's hot. Okay, let me show you what we got here today. Dun, 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 dun. Side note, I hate when the couriers are not careful. Look at that shit. I didn't do that. At least let me damage my own box. Anywho, enough of that. We ain't gonna eat the box. You see what that is? You see what that is? Let me give you a bit of that. You see that? You see that? You already know what flag that is, and if you don't know, you should get to know. If you don't know, gotta get to know. This one wicked and this one show. Alright, my beautiful people, let's get into it. Oh, let me take out the wrapping. I don't know what that was, guys, but I just, all of a sudden, I was transported to my other native land. It's an inside joke there, inside joke, don't worry. All my West Indian friends are like, I don't know where you're getting that accent from. Anywho's, my beautiful people, today we have the CLARKS Jamaica bank robbers, or desert trek. I prefer the term bank robbers, you know, but we'll call them desert trek, which is what they are called by the CLARKS family. I'll just give you a little toilage and then we shall get into it. Such a beautiful thing. And then you got that at the back, which just makes it sexy. Alright, right hand side, let's get into it. So what we have here, guys, is a CLARKS ode to Jamaica. And for those of you who don't know, the people of Jamaica love a CLARKS. They love a CLARKS. Do you know what I mean? They love CLARKS. There's numerous songs, you know, by Vybz Kartel, Popcorn, I think. There's another guy who I forget his name now. Anyway, there's bare tunes about CLARKS anyway. And if there's not tunes about them, there's tunes that have mentioned CLARKS. So, you know, from the Sound Man to the Rude Boys to the Bad Men to the School Kids, everyone loves a CLARKS in Jamaica. So this is an ode to Jamaica. And I'm not really one for, you know, like, even like when Nike did the Nigeria Presto and things like that, I'm not really one to just buy into things because it's got, you know, Nigeria on it, or, you know, a country that I love or I'm affiliated with. But Jamaica and CLARKS go together like, I don't know, like dancehall and pum pum shots. Anyway, guys, sometimes my analogies, I don't know, they either get really good or they get really terrible. But yeah, so this is the CLARKS Desert Trek, or as they call it, the bank robber in Jamaica. And the reason they call it that is because on the back you had, of the usual pair, you have this image of a man with a sack on his back, and that is said image right there. It's not actually a bank robber, it's a trekker, hence the word desert trek, but at first glance you might think it's a bag of swag, and hence the nickname the bank robber. Now this iteration is pure suede. Just let me give you the close-up so you can see. Suede, beautifully soft suede, and that is a all over suede upper. Now at the back you have the iteration of the Jamaica flag with the Jamaican colours right there, as you can see, black, yellow, green. Beautiful stitched, I don't know what you call that, just call it a stitch design right there. And then of course you have this heel tab, which has the Jamaica flag on it, as you can see, like so. Now, if you look also at the stitching that goes all the way round, you can see that those are in those beautiful colors as well, the green and the yellow. You have this crepe sole, which is why I said today we'll actually have crepe. And this is what I believe, because crepe is definitely, it's a West Indian word for sure. I might even put it down to Jamaica, I'm not sure, but it's definitely a West Indian word. And it's I think it comes from the fact that, you know, the crepe sole, and people say, oh, my crepe. I don't know if before then that word was being used as in crepe, but that's what it used to come from. We never used to use the word crepes when we was in our, you know, 16, 17. We never used to use that. I think we started using the word crepes maybe a bit later. Do you know what I mean? We always used to say trainers. I think we started using the word, so I was 16 in 93, so we wasn't using that. I think we might have started using it maybe a few years later, maybe 98, 99, maybe even 2000. So, you know, it's definitely a word that I believe comes from the West Indies, Jamaica specifically. And I think it might be to do with the crepe sole, because obviously, you know, they love the Clarks, so they'll be like, my crepe. That's my thinking, but I could be wrong. Anyway, back to the shoe. You have this beautiful suede upper. You have these laces, which have the lace tip like there. You see, you got the yellow lace tip right there. You have on the other lace, let me see, you have the green right there. Let's get that in focus. So you have the green and the yellow, which I always like, nice little touches like that. Now inside you have that nice iteration yet again of the design, and you see it says Clarks Original, so no fakes. You know, this is a Vietnam, as in it's made in Vietnam. You also have the made in Italy's. On a rare occasion you'll have a made in England. Those are, you know, they're normally limited edition ones. Okay, now you've got the Clarks tag. Sorry, I'm trying to get this piece of paper out the damn way. You got the Clarks tags right there. Another indication, and then on the secondary one you have the Jamaica flag iteration of the Clarks tag. Now there are a couple different Clarks tags, so you have a more sort of not rectangular version, but there are maybe a rectangular version. So this doesn't necessarily denote that it's a kosher version. By kosher I mean not fake, not moody, but there are a couple of iterations of said tag. Anyway, these are just a beautiful shoe. I used to have these in, I don't know, maybe 90, maybe 98, something like that. I had a brown all leather version of these, amazing. Me and my boy Funky J, we went to the Clarks store in Holloway, the outlet, and we copped a pair there. And yeah, just really dope shoe. I mean, I rinsed those Desert Treks. I haven't had a pair since of Desert Treks, or aka the Bank Robbers, but what better pair to pick up than this pair here? I mean, I've put these on feet. They're a little bit big because 9.5 sold out. I got a 10, a little bit big, but nothing crazy, you know, like so comfortable. These are just comfortable. Obviously, you got the crepe sole, and yeah, really dope. And for those of you who don't know, these are, you know, based on an old shoe that I think they used to wear in World War II, and one of the Clarks founder's sons was in the army, and I think he was stationed somewhere in the desert. And yeah, so if not these, I know the desert boots definitely were. Sorry, the desert boots definitely were. I'm not sure if these were, but I'm just giving you some sort of history as into where the name Desert Trek comes from. And the desert boots were definitely based on a boot that were worn in World War II when he was stationed in the army. Okay, so yeah, man, this is a really dope pair, man. And to all my Jamaican people out there, mad love to you lot. Obviously, I know you lot are gassed that they've done a Clarks shoe. It doesn't mean, you know, I see some people saying, oh, yeah, I hope the Jamaican people are getting some sort of nod, you know, as in they're using their stars like dancehall stars or Jamaican people to sort of advertise and give deals. And I believe Clark said they are, you know, I follow them and just answering their questions, answering the questions that people are asking, they said they are. And also there's going to be money going to Jamaican foundations, I think possibly schools in Jamaica. So that's what I like to see, you know, because it's easy to slap a flag on something and go, ah, Jamaica, and then not do nothing for the people. You know, there's a lot of people who could do with, you know, your help, and it means nothing to Clark to make a whole bunch of these different models, because they've got these, they've got the wallabies, they've got the desert boots, and they're all in black, except they've got another desert boot which is in yellow, and it means nothing for Clarks to make a bunch of these and send them to the schools, especially in the less fortunate areas, you know, and you know, bring in the stars and the politicians and sorry, not the politicians, who said that, sorry, bring in the stars and the doctors and the people who do bits, you know, for Jamaica, and the runners, you know, bring them in and give them endorsement deals and let them, you know, be a shining light for your product as well. Don't just use the name Jamaica and don't do anything for the people, and don't let the people at least benefit from it. So yeah, anyway, I'll jump off my soapbox and put these on a crepe box and just give you one more toilage, because these, my people, are a beautiful pair. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you love them, if you've ever had a pair of the Desert Treks, if you've picked up any of the Jamaica range. And yeah, mad love, like I said, to all my Jamaican people. You guys have influenced the world for such a small island. I mean, it's crazy, it's crazy. Yeah, so mad respect to you lot. And yeah, as always, this has been 2 Feet Bare Creps. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P Jamaica, and this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. I think I might have just said that. You guys have been dope, you guys have been fly, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.